Hi, I'm Jarrell.
And I'm David.
Good morning, Booze. It is the day of the cruise, y'all.
Yes, it is.
Like the day of the show. If you know what we're talking about. Do you know what I'm talking about? The day of the show. It's the day of the show, y'all.
Drag Race?
No.
It's the day of the show, y'all.
It's the day of the show. Christopher Guest movie.
Oh, Best in Show.
Nope.
No.
Waiting for Guffman.
Okay.
Close. Anyway, so it is 5 minutes before we are going to be heading downtown, or heading down to, we're going to be heading right now down, but we're going to get a van with our friends, and we're going to be heading to the port. It's 11 a.m. Our check-in time is at 11:30.
And if we look a little dusted and busted because we're tired, our sleep pattern was totally off.
Totally off.
We went to sleep at like 11 o'clock last night. Then woke up at like 3 in the morning.
3 in the morning.
We were up until like 6 or 7.
I was like, are we on an international flight? What is going on? It's because the night before we were supposed to be taking a red eye, and then we didn't take the red eye, so then we slept for like 2 hours, and then it's gonna be fun. Oh my god! But at least that it's not. Do you remember that the cruise? Remember the hurricane cruise where we did end up taking a red eye, and then we just stayed it the whole time, and then we crashed out, and then slept through Sail Away.
Oh yes, we did sleep.
We completely slept through Sail Away, and then we got stuck in a hurricane. If you haven't seen those videos, go back. Anyway, we gotta go down so we're not late, and so we're not those made it to the port, guys. We are here. We had our first view of the whale tail. It's right over here. We can't really see the whale tail, but we see the first. I know it's there. Just trust us. It's there. It's there. Okay, we go this. Okay, guys. Okay, we're gonna see you. I know, they're going in the sweet section. Yeah. All right. Wait, let me see. Entrance age. So excited to be boarding. You know, we have to do our obligatory very first step. Well, we have to jump across the threshold. Oh wait, we're still walking and walking. Jeez Louise. Okay, well, I'm clearly preemptive because we're not even there yet. The boarding not boarding, but the check-in process, super easy. Also, did you know that there are chips in your passport? Did you know this?
No, just found out today.
Yeah, they just lay a phone on it, and all of your information gets like in what? I did not know this. So yeah. Anyway, so the check-in process was super easy. Here we go. The Carnival Valor, ladies and gentlemen. Very first look at the Valor. We gotta do our hop. We are over the water. We are over the water. Oh dear. We are certainly over some water. We are on a cruise! Ha ha ha! So exciting! Yay! Oh, it's been a while, guys. Okay. Oh, this way. Okay. Well, keep on going. Sure. First views, first looks at Lay Interior. We're at a bit of a hold up. That's okay. It's just anticipation and excitement. I love that for us, and I love that for you. Thanks so much for joining us. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, she's a vibe. We already got that island music playing. Yes. Oh, guys, in case you haven't noticed, this is a Christmas cruise. It is December, December 14th. Yes, thank you. December 14th. Oh my gosh, all of these. There we go, there we go. Here's the two. Hey, so cute. Okay, wait, we have to go to Mustard's first? Well, just, he said go to your Mustard's first and then go to lunch. So we are going to stop by our Teresa's room because she has a suite, so the suites are going to be done early. So we're going to be going, she's in 9206. Yeah, so we're going to be stopping by to drop our bags because they're done early. But here's a little sneaky peeky of the stateroom's gorge. And I feel like there's like an Americana theme happening on here. No? Yes? I've seen our founding fathers. I see lots of bald eagles. Hi. 9206. Ringy ding, I think she's gonna be in. Yeah, look, this is the view from the suite. Gorgeous, love it. This is a great little view. And look, who's that over there? I think that's the, Celebrity X.
That's a big port then.
Yeah, it's a huge port if it goes all the way around here. All right, so we are headed to muster station F. Apparently, the musters are very, very easy. I don't think it's virtual per se, like it's not on the hub, but you just kind of go. They show you how to put on your life vest and show you where to go, and then you're done. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I will confirm in just a few moments. Even easier. We literally just like went, they scanned us, he's like, you're good. That was it. I love mustering now. Well, okay, let's not go that far. Let's not go that crazy. But it was very, very easy. Also, we forgot, we could have brought sodas with us. So you can bring sodas and you can also bring wine. I don't know why I thought it was like one or the other. I glitched, but you can do, you can bring sodas and you can bring wine. So, yeah. Right. So I guess now we're going to head to the buffet. See what the food is giving. This is looking like it's really.
So it was on 9.
Yes, back to 9. Oh, I think we can we catch this? Oh, darn. We just, it's gone. Getting the Mongolian Walk, and these are the options. So you guys know that we love the Mongolian Walk. It's not open that often. It's like only sometimes during lunch. I love it because it's a really fresh option. You can get lots of veggies. I went with the broccoli and some spinach. Jarrell got mushrooms, broccoli, peas, some green onions. I got some green onions in there too. But there's lots of options for you. I'm definitely gonna do the beef. There's chicken, there's shrimp. It's just a really kind of a light way to start. So yeah, Mongolian goodness, yum. Get our Mongolian beef, which looks amazing. Jarrell's already had his. He said it's really good. I got a mix of the Szechuan and the Thai barbecue because I kind of wanted to get it spicy, but I also wanted to try the different flavors. So good, and it's so like fresh. Like the made to order of it all, really good.
Yeah, very good.
And the view of, well, the water's not that pretty, but that will change. That'll change. Lunch was great. Now we are headed to the aft of the ship where, oh yeah, we know this. The Pizza Pirate and the aft pool. We spent many, oh my gosh. Remember when we were this and they closed it? Where were we? Oh, that was the Hurricane Cruise.
Closed it.
Remember they closed, they had a, yeah, this was like a retractable and we spent a lot of time in this pool and then in those hot tubs. So Serenity must be up.
This is the one with only the 2 hot tubs.
Yeah, I think. So they have these, I don't know if we're the Serenity deck. We haven't like explored up top. So maybe we go up one more, but. So this is an aft pool. Pizza Pirate is up here as well. And then, oh look, there's a seafood shack over here. So this is, I'm assuming, another upcharge. Oh yeah, here we go. You can get a bucket of fried buffalo shrimp, a lobster roll, New England clam chowder. Those are the prices if you want to pause it. So that's pretty awesome if you want to do that. You guys know how I feel about seafood. Also, I feel like Jarrell is coming to my side. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. He's not loving seafood like he used to. His taste buds are changing, and for the better, if you ask me. Something that's pretty unique to sailing away out of New Orleans, a riverboat, as you are having sail away. I love that. That's pretty awesome. And it's decorated for Christmas. Okay, so we just went up one deck. Whale tail. Oh, look, are we gonna go under that bridge? That'll be kind of cool for sail away. Serenity deck. I don't think it'll be up one more, will it? I think isn't it down one and across?
The what?
Serenity deck. It's been a while since we have been on this layout, but I don't think I remember it being aft, but that is the oh my gosh, it plays music. That is so cute, actually. Guys, that is so cool. Look at that. Oh my gosh. How fun is that? I've never seen a riverboat that plays music. Have you?
It's not people playing music? It's
No,
just music
that's the
playing?
boat.
Oh. I've never really seen that many riverboats, to be honest. So.
I've seen a few, but I haven't seen ones that, I have not seen ones that play music like a whole tune like this. Like, is it turning around and going to, like, it's loud. Like, it literally, it sounds like it's playing toward us, so that's hilarious. Okay, so we are headed toward the front of the deck. Here's the main pool. Two other jacuzzis, but I do believe that, yeah, the other pool. But if I remember correctly, the Serenity with those pools were at the front at this particular, remember?
Yeah.
I think it's at the front and the very top on this particular sister ship. So we're gonna make our way up. Spa deck 11. Heading up as we explore. Yeah, there we go. Look at me. Look at me remembering. It is forward. Because this is also where we, during the hurricane, where it was like we were being blown around. Ah, yes. I remember it. I remember it. I remember it well. Yes. It was this, and then the other one. And no one is in the hot tubs. Crazy. Oh, let's do a check. How hot are the hot tubs? Pretty warm. Pretty warm, pretty nice. Okay. Okay. This might be a plan for after sail away.
It's empty now, but we'll see.
I know, but
Sail away.
hey, this could be good because we're gonna be right forward, and then we're gonna be sailing under the ship. Although I also remember that. I remember that smell. Smelled like the poop chute. Smelled like the poop deck. Yeah. I remember that. I remember that being a thing. Only a couple of minutes until rooms are ready. And yeah, well, okay, they are not ready yet because there's a big block off. So yeah, 23. We're gonna wait to get our room keys. Here we are, 7358. So this is our room. Let's see what it's giving. This is our room keys. Carnival Valor. Yep, it's green. Always love when that happens. Oh, the fun ship. Hooray!
Welcome on board, Carnival Valor.
Welcome on board. Happy to have you. Oh, that's so cute. I haven't seen that before. Oh, this is our waters. Okay, we ordered some waters here. That's awesome. So, oh, we have a little table. Love that. This is our balcony. Oh, we're right above deck. 258. Okay. Oh, we got our towels. We got our... Yep. The bathroom. Nice, nice, nice. If you're as tall as I am, I don't want to get in there with my shoes, but you can see. So this is standard. We have had rooms similar to this, but it's yeah. So yeah, yay! I love this. This is a very cute touch. Yeah. It's about what, a little after 3, and we are at the top deck. We're about to get into that hot tub. And we're gonna take you guys in there because we're gonna go right under this bridge. So that's gonna be awesome. Super excited for that. So we missed the whale show. We just got the big brrr. It was very, very loud. Oh my god. All right, so we're gonna throw, look, we got this. That's awesome. Okay, guys. Beautiful. One of the best parts about CLA in the forward or the aft is the gorgeous views. It's incredible. Literally gorgeous. Right? Very, very gorgeous. Yes.